Hello and welcome to Scrintal. In this video, we'll take a closer look at documents and blocks, two of the key tools in Scrintal arsenal to help you organize your thoughts and connect your ideas. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key differences between them and how each one of them can help in its own unique way. Okay, so let's start by saying that documents and blocks both share some similarities. You can use both, for example, to annotate information and insert media. You can also organize them and reshape them inside your boards, and you can even link them to each other using connectors. However, blocks are much more flexible. You can easily separate, rearrange, and combine them as you see fit. This ability to freely move around ideas is ideal for scenarios like studying a difficult topic for the first time, brainstorming ideas for a project, or mind mapping a complex workflow or process. In this sense, blocks are the perfect tool when you're just starting to think about a new set of ideas. They're great when your thoughts are still organized in your head and you need a flexible workspace to help you in those initial stages of the thinking process. On the other hand, documents shine in the later stages. They allow you to consolidate loose thoughts into a more cohesive and structured note. Documents are ideal when you've organized the subject in your mind using blocks, and now you're ready to pull those ideas together and store them permanently under a single title. But remember, while docs can be used like this, they can also be perfectly created from scratch, which is something to keep in mind. Finally, it's important to know that while both blocks and docs are stored in your library and you can access them through the board where they were created, only documents can be searched by their content or title. This search feature makes it easy to retrieve and even add previously created documents to new boards as needed. A very useful feature. And that's really all for this video. Now that you've learned more about documents and blocks, start using them in your own Scrintal account.